A decision is expected today in BC Supreme Court relating to this province's drunk driving laws. Late last year, the court ruled part of the law was unconstitutional, and this morning it'll decide whether people who were caught up under that unconstitutional law should be compensated. Ben Hadaway reports.
It ends up being very expensive if you fail a breath test in this province. Some alleged drunk drivers have to take a driving class, pay for an interlock system, and are fined. Lawyer Diego Solomano says at a minimum, drivers end up paying between $4,000 and $5,000.
It's estimated that there were 15,000 people in British Columbia caught by this law. Those are people who registered a fail.
Solomano says today's ruling is the result of 4 people taking the government to court, but it could set a precedent that affects all those thousands of others. Last November, BC Supreme Court ruled part of the law was unconstitutional. That's because it imposed criminal-like penalties without a proper opportunity to appeal. The law has now been tweaked by the BC government, but until now, the issue of compensation for alleged drunk drivers who are caught under the old law hasn't been addressed. Ben Hadaway, CBC News, Vancouver.